Hi, welcome to Serv. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete profile on Serv Marketplace, meaning I'm going to show you how to create a listing that is going to show like one of these companies here. Now, first thing first, you want to make sure that you already signed up on Serv. If you have not signed up yet, you want to make sure that you come here on Get Listed. Once you click here on Get Listed, it's gonna take you to where you can choose the package. We have basic, we have standard, we have premium. On this video, we're gonna go with the basic plan. Once we are here, we're gonna be required to enter details. So there is area, enter company name. Number. I want to make sure that all the details that you use here, they are correct, because the numbers that you use here are the ones that we're gonna use to send you leads. So if you have not used the correct details, it means that Serv won't be able to communicate any coming leads with you. So I want to make sure that you enter correct details here, and very importantly, make sure that the email that you use here is the most active one that your company uses. Okay, you're gonna click on create my profile. Now your profile has been created. Now second step, we're gonna be creating a listing. We're gonna click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's gonna take you here. From here, click this drop down and go to dashboard. Now this is where you're gonna be adding the details of your listing of a company. First, go on contact details, select okay for company, and select category that your company provides services. Let's go digital marketing. First name, company name, Serv. You can enter position and a short description about yourself, but what you enter here, what you use here, it won't show on on your listing, so it's up to you. But on this video, we're just gonna skip it. Also in the address, you can skip it for now, but I highly recommend that you enter your address, because some businesses will be searching companies within that specific address. That's gonna help your company to be found within that specific address. Also, you want to make sure that you enter your website here, because Serv is getting a lot of traffic from businesses every day. So if you've entered your website, it means that Serv is going to be sending tons of traffic that we receive on our marketplace. When people come, they found your website, they're going to be directed now to your website. Also want to make sure that you use social media links so that you can be found. And make sure that you add all our details here, very important. And if you don't have a company page, you can even use your personal one, as long as you've listed the company. Remember, Serv is a B2B marketplace. So before you even come here, you want to make sure that you are listing a company here within the categories. Once you're done, click on save and continue. Now after you enter the details, you want to make sure that you add your profile logo. So this is going to be a logo for a company. You want to make sure that you come here on upload logo, choose your logo and upload. Once you have uploaded that, now after you added your profile picture here or a logo for a company, you want to go on about me. This is where you're going to enter short description about company. Just gonna say Serv B2B marketplace in South Africa where businesses can find business leads and connect. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now once you're happy with the description, I would suggest that you keep it short. Wanna click on save and continue. Now this was the last step in creating your listing. Once you've done that, now let's see if our listing is showing on the marketplace. Remember, we've listed a company under digital marketing agencies. This is where we're gonna be looking for our listing. And there it is. Here's the name, here's the description, and here is the profile picture. If you click on view listing, see we still get all those details. So this is how you create a complete profile on Serv B2B Marketplace.